I'll put it in the saddle. There you go. See? Saddle, here it goes. See?
There's the lighthouse.
See, that's like a tic-tac-toe.
And way up there, the little sheep.
There's a pose of it. And Sunday's a
Seagulls.
Got two capitals. See?
There's the sea.
It's cold. And then you get it like this.
How many rocks do you have there, Owen?
I don't know.
Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All right.
12.
12 rocks in Giscon.